Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explore the Tours and AI section in Travel Boost. The Tours and AI section is your centralized workspace for creating, managing, and optimizing tour packages, whether you're building day tours, multi-day packages, adventure trips, or customized travel experiences. So this section gives you all the tools you need to organize your catalog, manage departures, monitor sales, and leverage AI to create professional tour content in minutes. Instead of manually or organizing tour across multiple systems, everything is managed from one powerful platform. So when you open the Tours and AI, you'll first see the Tour Operator Command Center here. So at the top of the page, it is dashboard, providing a real-time overview of your tour business. So the first one is the total tours, shows the total number of tour packages created in the system. So we have here 8, so 7 published. The second one is published. This one is the shows number of tours currently available for customers booking. And of course, we have draft. So this one display tours that are being prepared and have not yet been published. Of course, we have here departures, 30 days. Shows all scheduled departures within the next 30 days, helping you organize or helping you prepare for upcoming trips. Of course, we have here seat sold year to date. So this one is display the total number of seats sold since the beginning of the year. We have here also the monthly revenue. So this one display the total revenue generated from tour booking during the current month. And lastly, we have here the average value or the average tour value. So this one is the value of each tour booking, giving you insight into your sales performance. Okay. So below is the dashboard. You also find the acquired or action required section here. So this area, by the way, highlights important items that you need your attention or that needs your attention, such as unpublished draft tours or tours missing cover images. Okay, so these reminders help you ensure your tour catalog is complete and ready for your customers. So as of now, we have 1 draft tours and 7 tours without the cover page. And hang on. On the upper right corner, you also find several quick action. The first one is the AI Studio. This one is tools that help generate tour description, itineraries, and marketing content. Itineraries rather. And next we have here the configuration. Okay. So configuration, manage your tour settings, preferences, and module configurations. And next, we have here the create tour. This one you can manually create a tour package. So when you click this one, it will direct to this overview. Of course, create tour. Of course, you need to add the title. Like for this example, Istanbul 5-day discovery. Of course, the destination, Istanbul, Turkey, Paris, something like that. Of course, the category. This one is really important. If it's spiritual trip, of course, the manual or destination from list, manual, Bali, or Tangier, Morocco. And of course, the common type duration days. Of course, the difficult if it's easy, moderate, challenging, or extreme. Group, group max, starting price, and of course, you can input description. And once you are done, click create tour and it will save. Okay. And then below the dashboard are the navigation tab. The first one we have here catalog. This one display all the available tour packages. You'll see here Tangier, Merake, Cappadocia, Amra, Dubai, so on and so forth. The next one we have here calendar. This one shows departures, schedules, and tour dates. You can have this by quarter or year as well. Okay. It also has this color category. Okay. If the green one is open, violet full, red is cancelled, is gray is completed. The next one we have here inquiries. So in here, you can manage customer inquiries and booking requests. So you can also custom tour inquiry if it's new, contacted, quoted, converted, or lost. Okay. The next one we have here the business intelligence, which will analyze tour packages and sales. You'll see here fleet rating, total surveys, recommends percentage, and last 30 days. So see here. Later on, we will have a separate discussion about the business intelligence, specifically in tours and AI. Next one, we have here AI Studio. This one access AI tools for generating content. You'll see here there's a generate tour, generate proposal. This one is one of the great features here in tours and AI. Okay, enhanced day, of course. There's also AI tour generator. You can have the destination, duration, budget per person, travelers interest, accommodation, of course special request. Then you can create or click generate tour. So this one. Next one we have here the configuration. This one you can customize system settings. Okay, categories, you can add categories. Clicking this one, of course, common name, you can have the icon or emoji, of course, the hex color, and the description as well. Same to the destination, you can have this common name, country, of course, region, cover, and description. The next one we have here type. Okay, you can have if it's group tour, of course the emoji or icon, and then create or click tour once you are done. Of course we have here also the insurance options. Okay, you can add or you can create insurance option by add options, and it will redirect to new insurance option overview, deductible. And then we have here also add-ons. Now build this up, and once you are done you can click save. Okay, and of course we have here guides, first name, last name, email, phone, languages, and specialization rather, and of course the rating, you can have it here. Okay, hang on. For the next navigation tab, of course, we have let me dig deep in the catalog navigation. Okay, so the catalog is where all of your tour packages are displayed. So from here you can of course search tours, you can filter by publication status as well, by filter by destination as well. You can view tour pricing as well. Okay, tour pricing. Of course, you can also view the duration, destination, and availability. Okay, by here you can also generate tour or create tour. Okay, so this make it easy for you to organize and manage your complete tour catalog. Okay, so the tour section simplifies tour management by bringing everything together in one place. You can organize tour packages, monitor departures, of course track bookings and revenue, respond to customer inquiries, and use AI to create professional tour content, which is really great, saving time while you are delivering a better experience for both your team and your customers. Okay, so next we're gonna have I'm going to teach you how to create and manage tour packages. Okay, so begin by entering the tour's information. So you need to click this one, and of course you need to complete all the requires details. Of course, the tour name, destination, tour type, duration, category, description. So this information forms the foundation of your tour packages. So of course, you're gonna have as well the tour pricing. So example include this one is base price, currency, of course, the optional add-ons, taxes or fees. So this one ensures the customer receive accurate pricing during the booking process. Okay. Of course, you can also configure your tour schedule. Okay, departure dates. Okay, departure dates, maximum capacity, seat availability, booking cutoff. So this one allows travel boost to what do you call this, to monitor availability. Okay, Of course, you can also upload high quality images to showcase the destination as well. And then once everything is complete, you can click publish, okay? So for the managing tours, like here, I click the one of the trip here from the catalog. So you can edit the information, you can archive. Of course, there's also a proposal created like this one. Gonna go back to tours and AI. Hang on. Of course, can duplicate it and you can share as well. So in here, you're gonna have the title, of course, the location, the duration. This one is easy, and of course, there's also satisfaction. So gonna have here the tour days, pricing, tier, season, departures, or time used. So in here, you're gonna have the overview. Of course, you can upload the photo for them to be, more exciting. Of course, there's also cancellation policy. You can edit here. Document requirements. You can edit here as well. Of course, there's also a margin in here. Next one, we have here days, of course. You can add day. For the pricing, of course, you can also add tier in here like this. Okay, once everything is done, you're gonna have click add tier. Of course, there's also a season. You can add season to here. So add season name. So there's also a date you need, and of course multiplier. And once you are done, you can click add season. Of course, there's also availability. You can add departure, and then of course you're gonna input the details. Of course, there's also a supplier. So day suppliers and margin is gonna we're gonna have it here. Okay, there's also estimated cost, selling price, margin percentage. Of course, there's also a bookings. So bookings pending, confirm, completed, or cancel. You can refresh it or add new booking here. And the last one we have here, the review. Okay, there's a fleet rating, total reviews, or total surveys rather, recommendation percentage. Is also a guide and itinerary, hotel and accommodation satisfaction or reviews, and value for money. And the recent feedback will appear in here. Okay, hang on. So for the benefits of the hang on. Okay. So let me dig in again for the this one. So the AI content editing. So if you need it, you can generate or edit the AI generated content until it matches your business requirements. So this one gives you the complete control while significantly reducing the time required to create professional tour packages. Okay. So the AI Studio will help you to save hours of manual work, create consistent tour description. You can improve content quality as well, build professional itinerary faster. You can increase productivity, launch new tours more quickly. Okay, so AI transformed tour creation from one time consuming task into a fast and efficient process, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Okay, the next one we have here the business intelligence section or navigation. So in here, one of the most valuable tools for tour operators. So instead of simply displaying bookings, business intelligence transform your business data into meaningful insights that will help you make smarter decisions. Okay. So in here, it allows you tour sales, revenue, booking trends, average tour value. It also have popular destinations and customers demand. Okay. So the benefits of business intelligence in here, it will of course increase your revenue. You can monitor tour performance, understand customer trends in here or demand, improve business planning, and make data-driven decision. It also has can grow your tour business with confidence. Okay, in here there's also a pricing suggestions, of course, demand to forecast, repeat customers, it'll appear here, cross-sell recommendations. Of course, there's also a cancellation pattern. So for the tours and AI section in Travel Boost, like from creating and publishing professional tour packages to leveraging AI for content creation, and using business intelligence to monitor performance is really great. So this section, which is the tours and AI, will provides everything you need to efficiently manage and grow your tour business. Okay. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial and walkthrough.